Feel how this Aum unites everything. It is the primordial sound containing all vibrations, preparing body, mind, and soul to resonate with frequencies of love and repair. Welcome to the Sixth Whisper, continuing SSRT, Sustainable Socio-Spiritual Regeneration Theory, harmonizing body, mind, and soul from wounded innocence to regenerated innocence throughout quantum and vibrational practices, reconnecting us to the collective flow. Here, sound is not mere noise. It is a key that lifts your vibration and repairs the field. Frequencies like 432 Hz, natural harmony, and 528 Hz, DNA repair love frequency, create coherent elevations. Binaural music, mantras, Gregorian chants, or nature sounds generate expansive theta alpha waves. Aggressive trap or constant negative news lower vibration. Create a high frequency playlist and use it as daily background for work, meditation, or sleep. I declare with certainty, my soul resonates with divine harmony that distributes, dissolves, and what heals arrives in waves of grace. I release the how. I trust the intelligence moving universal vibrations. In the silence, after the sound, I listened and received the elevation already here. Practice. Choose one frequency, such as 528 Hz, and listen for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Feel your nervous system align. You are available. The field responds with cosmic music. The journey continues on Tuesday and Thursdays. So integrate gently. Book link in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Share this message. See you on day 7 with deep love, radiant light, and absolute trust.